Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster with online surveys. Branded surveys, MyPoints, Hey Piggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost are reputable survey sites to explore. Each platform offers unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose wisely. Consider factors like reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles thoroughly, utilize free offers, and prioritize high-paying surveys. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software for security. Watch out for red flags such as membership fees, lack of reviews, and requests for private information, which may indicate potential scams. Surveys for money are legitimate, usually taking 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points as rewards. Companies value your feedback and pay for your participation to gather valuable market research and consumer insights. Start making money today by taking online surveys.